Hey guys, Andrew here, the warehouse in Salt Lake City, doing my December roll call. I'll keep this short and sweet. Um, First off, created a returns doc to advise the customer care team of the status on the returns, kind of help the communication between Salt Lake City and the customer care team. Just shows the date received. We're going to start implementing the order number, the name, RBC, RTS. RBC is returned by customer. RTS is returned to sender, so it didn't make it to the customer, some sort of address, invalid address or some issue like that. And the item, and then whether it was used or not. Yeah, I think this is going to help. I've already implemented it, and so far so good. Um, Next on my list, I'm working with Maria on some customer care training, and she's been awesome. We've had to reschedule a couple times, but she's allowing me to work on my availability, and she's been great. She's been super helpful. I really appreciate Maria with that. And then next, we decided not to do a motorized conveyor belt for Salt Lake City. A couple of reasons. First, the price was double the price once they actually came back with the quote rather than us taking a look in the actual book. So that was kind of a disappointment. And second, since Black Friday and Cyber Monday, the volumes definitely slowed down a little bit from Salt Lake City, and that's partially because right after the big sales, people are taking a break, and then we're running out of some stuff here, which we are waiting on a couple end of year purchase orders from Pipe Dream China and Cal Exotics, which will help increase the volume moving into the new year. Lastly, working with Drew on the Christmas bundle kits. I think that these will be interesting. I'm excited to get the actual graphics and stuff and start getting these sent out, seeing how well they do. We have three kits. We have the Christmas bundle that we've already rolled out, but we ran out of a product. One of our Simply items was selling like crazy, so we had to switch it out and have the photographer back in to reshoot that bundle. And then we have two other kits that not sure if they're implemented yet, but if not now, they'll be up soon, and we'll start rolling those out and seeing how well those will do. But yeah, that's it for my roll call for December. If anybody has any questions, concerns, or comments, let me know. I'm always available. Thanks, guys.